to go ahead and get started. That way you guys have plenty of time to do your assessment. What is going to happen is Ariana is going to review the digestive system with you all because the digestive and the circulatory system seem to give us the most problems as far as understanding the human body and its systems and how they're all interdependent and work together. After the review, I'm going to have you take your test. I want you to take your time, read your questions carefully, make sure you prove your answers to yourself. And if you have any questions, I will be here in my Zoom, so you can hop in and ask me a question if you've got one. But I would like these tests finished before family time, if at all possible. That way, after family time, you've got math, and then you can work on making sure everything else is done by 3 o'clock today. So we really need to manage our time today, because hopefully this will be your Friday, and you guys will not have to work on Friday. All right, that being said, I would like for each of you to make sure, if you are not asking a question, that your microphone is muted and that you are giving Ariana your undivided attention as she reviews the digestive system with you. Thank you, Ariana, for taking your time and creating this lesson for your classmates.
Yes, ma'am.
I've looked over it, and it looks incredible. So, all right, guys, listen up. Listen to your teacher, Ms. Lopez. The floor is yours.
The digestive system by Ariana Lopez. As you can see, the digestive system is made up of tons of parts. Most of these organs are located in the middle of your torso. Key terms. Nutrients are the materials needed to feed your body and keep it running. Digestion is the way your body gets nutrients and energy from the food you eat. Esophagus.
Ariana, stop right there. For some reason, we are only seeing the title slide. What do you see on your screen?
The key terms slide.
Okay, let me try to airplay from mine. Oh, no, wait. Go back, because it was there then. Okay, there we go. I'll just let you know if it lags again. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Esophagus. The tube allows food to travel to your stomach. A bag-like organ that helps dissolve food. Small intestine. The long tube-like organ that absorbs nutrients taken from food. Large intestine. Large intestine organ is long intestine tube-like organ that absorbs water taken out from food. Liver. Gets rid of harmful byproducts, waste in your body. Food enters your mouth. Mouth is where food is ingested. Teeth is the mechanical digestion. Saliva, the chemical digestion, and enzymes break down starches in your mouth.
All right, Ariana, your slides are lagging again. So if you can double click so that all of your apps come out. And there you go. You're good now. Oh, what happened? Okay.
The pharynx at the beginning of the throat. Both food and air travel through it.
The epiglottis?
Epiglottis. flap a muscle that closes over the larynx to direct food to the esophagus. The esophagus is the food highway that takes your dinner from your mouth down to your stomach so that digestion can begin. Transit 10 seconds. The esophagus is a tube leading to the pharynx to the stomach, from the pharynx to the stomach. Transport system for food. Bolus, food blob. It pushes down my muscle, contracts called peristalsis mechanical process. Protected by the trachea, esophagus continued. The stomach. Aside from telling us when we are hungry or when we are full, the stomach plays an important part in our digestion of food. Stomach, where food is mainly digested, smooth muscle, mechanical, stomach acid chemical. Pepsin, enzymes, breaks down proteins to amino acids. Mucus, protects stomach lining from acid. Bile, a digestive juice, breaks down lipids. Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes gastric acid, hydrochloric acid. Chyme, mixture of raw materials. Transit 1 to 3 hours. The liver creates different enzymes to help process food, nutrients that are collected in the small intestine. The liver has over 200 jobs. Protects bile, which is stored in the gallbladder. Filters blood and breaks down used red blood cells. Regulates the amount of glycogen stored, excess blood sugar within your body. Weight about 3 to 4 pounds, and it's the largest gland in your human body. Gallbladder and pancreas. The gallbladder is a storage unit for all of the bile and enzymes created by the liver. It stores them until they are needed for digestion. The liver doesn't have to create enzymes alone. The pancreas is where it also makes enzymes to break down food within the small intestine. Small intestine. The main job of the small intestine is to absorb nutrients and minerals from food. In fact, 90% of food absorption takes place here, making it our main digestion location. Small intestine, where absorption occurs. Bile and microbial increase surface area in order to absorb maximum nutrients, about 20 feet long. Transit 7 to 9 hours.
Wow, so it takes our food 7 to 9 hours to work its way through the small intestine. That's super cool. All right, go ahead, sorry.
The large intestine. This is the final destination of your food before it leaves your body as waste. In the large intestine, any water used during the digestion is absorbed, which causes the leftovers to harden. Large intestine, where absorption and elimination occurs. Water is a key nutrient that is reabsorbed during this phase. About 5 feet long, transit 25 to 30 hours. The rectum is your food ticket out of the body as waste. Transit 30 to 120 hours. Do you want us to watch the video?
Sure. But I do think that you'll have to present the slide in order to be able to watch the video. Actually, Ariana, is this the end of your presentation, or did you have 2 more slides?
This is the end.
Okay. What I can do is I can share this presentation in our Google Classroom, and then that way everybody can just watch the video on their iPads. That way it doesn't lag or something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Does that sound good?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Ariana. That was a fantastic job. Miss McLean has listened to your lesson, and she said she's very proud of you, and I am too. Excellent job.
Thank you.
Good thing you're only like 10 or 11. I don't have to worry about you taking my job anytime soon. You did fantastic. I'm very proud of you. All right, guys. So does anybody have any questions before I let you scurry off to take your human body assessment? Questions? No? Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do so that I've got a couple people who are having a hard time logging into Zoom. So in order for this recording to end and for me to be able to upload it to YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and end this Zoom session, but I'm just going to immediately open it back up. That way, if anybody has any questions as you're taking the quiz, you can pop in and ask me. Or if you have any technical difficulties, and just pop in and let me know, and I will send you a paper copy out in Google Classroom immediately, okay? All right, and I already know that I need to send a paper copy to Riley, Christian, and Liam. But guys, please, as soon as we end this Zoom, try to hard reset your iPad and go in one more time before you do the paper copy, because it really is helpful for me to have it in SchoolNet. That being said, I'll see you guys later. Work hard. Bye.